Have you ever dreamed of making money from the comfort of your own home? Well, you're in luck because the internet has opened up a world of opportunities for making money online. From e-commerce to blogging, social media marketing to virtual assistants, there are countless ways to turn your skills and passions into cash. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career, there's no shortage of options to choose from. So grab your laptop, pull up a chair, and get ready to learn how to make money online. In this video, we will explore some of the most popular and effective ways to earn a living from your computer, so you can start building your online empire today. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online if you're someone who enjoys working on your own terms. It's perfect for those who don't want to be tied down to a 9-to-5 job or a physical location. With freelancing, you can work from home, a coffee shop, or even from the beach. One of the best things about freelancing is that you can choose the projects that interest you and align with your skills. For example, if you're a writer, you can take on writing projects for blogs, websites, or social media content. If you're a web designer, you can create beautiful and functional websites for clients. But it's important to note that freelancing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and effort to build up a reputation and a steady stream of clients. You'll need to invest time in marketing your services and building relationships with potential clients. However, once you build up a solid portfolio and reputation, you can start charging higher rates and taking on more complex projects. Plus, you have the freedom to choose the clients and projects that align with your values and interests. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online if you have a large online following and are passionate about recommending products or services to your audience. It's a win-win situation for both you and the company whose product you're promoting. The key to succeeding in affiliate marketing is to choose products or services that resonate with your audience. For example, if you're a beauty blogger, you might want to promote skincare or makeup products that you use and love. Or if you're a fitness influencer, you could promote workout equipment or supplements that you believe in. Once you've chosen the products or services you want to promote, you will need to create high-quality content that educates and inspires your audience to make a purchase. This could include product reviews, tutorials, or even personal stories about how the product has helped you. To make the most of affiliate marketing, it's important to build a strong relationship with your audience and be transparent about the fact that you're using affiliate links. This builds trust and credibility with your followers, which can lead to higher conversion rates and commissions. Online courses. Creating and selling online courses can be a fantastic way to make money online if you're an expert in a particular field. It's a great way to share your knowledge with others and help them learn new skills. To create a successful online course, you'll need to pick a topic that people are interested in and create engaging content that keeps them hooked. You can include videos, written guides, and other resources to make the learning experience as engaging and informative as possible. Once you've created your course, it's important to market it effectively to reach potential students. You can use social media, email marketing, and other online channels to promote your course and reach a wider audience. Overall, creating and selling online courses can be a fun and rewarding way to make money online while sharing your expertise with others. E-commerce. E-commerce is a popular and effective way to make money online by selling products through your own website or platforms like Amazon or eBay. To succeed in e-commerce, it's essential to identify a niche market that is underserved and create high-quality products that meet the needs of that market. This involves conducting thorough market research and identifying the gaps in the market that your product can fill. Once you have your products ready, it's important to develop a strong brand and marketing strategy to attract and retain customers. This includes creating a user-friendly website, optimizing your product listings for search engines, and leveraging social media and other marketing channels to promote your products to your target audience. With the right approach and dedication, e-commerce can be a highly profitable and rewarding way to make money online. Blogging. Blogging can be a fun and rewarding way to make money online while sharing your thoughts and experiences with the world. Whether you're interested in cooking, travel, or personal finance, there's likely an audience out there that wants to hear what you have to say. To start a successful blog, you'll need to choose a niche topic that you're knowledgeable and passionate about. This will help you create engaging content that resonates with your readers and keeps them coming back for more. Once you've established your blog, you can start generating income through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. But it's not just about creating great content. You'll also need to develop a strong marketing strategy to attract readers to your blog. This could involve promoting your blog on social media, guest posting on other blogs, or collaborating with other bloggers in your niche. With time and effort, you can turn your blog into a profitable online business. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants is a great way to make money online if you have strong administrative or technical skills. As a virtual assistant, you can provide support to clients from anywhere in the world, making it a flexible and convenient way to work. To succeed as a virtual assistant, you'll need to be highly organized and have excellent communication skills. You'll also need to be proficient in software tools like Microsoft Office and Google Suite, as these are often used to manage tasks and projects remotely. Marketing your virtual assistant services effectively is also key to attracting and retaining clients. This may involve creating a professional website, establishing a social media presence, and networking with other professionals in your industry. Selling digital products. Selling digital products is a smart way to make money online. Whether you're a writer, programmer, or musician, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, software, or music that solve a problem or meet a need for your target audience. To succeed in selling digital products, it's important to identify a specific market that is underserved and create high-quality products that resonate with that market. This means understanding your customers' needs and preferences and creating products that provide real value. Once you've created your digital products, you'll need to market them effectively to reach potential customers. This might involve building a strong social media presence, developing an email marketing campaign, or working with influencers to promote your products. By focusing on a niche market, creating high-quality products, and marketing them effectively, you can build a successful online business selling digital products. Social media marketing. Social media marketing can be a fun and creative way to make money online. If you're someone who loves spending time on social media and has a knack for promoting products or services, this could be the perfect gig for you. As a social media marketer, your job will be to help businesses or individuals grow their brand and reach more customers on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You'll need to create engaging content, run social media ads, and monitor analytics to measure the success of your campaigns. To succeed in social media marketing, it's important to stay up to date with the latest social media trends and best practices. You'll also need excellent communication skills and a strong understanding of marketing principles. Building a portfolio of successful campaigns can help you attract new clients and build a reputation in the industry. Stock trading. Stock trading involves buying and selling stocks in the stock market in order to make a profit. While it can be risky, it can also be a highly lucrative way to make money online if done correctly. To succeed in stock trading, it's important to have a solid understanding of how the stock market works and to develop a trading strategy that works for you. This might involve analyzing market trends, keeping up with news and events that might impact stocks, and using technical analysis tools to inform your trades. Of course, it's important to remember that stock trading is not a guaranteed way to make money, and there is always the risk of losing money as well. But if you're willing to put in the time and effort to learn and develop your skills, it can be a great way to potentially grow your wealth. That's all for today. Pick a strategy that resonates with you, set some goals, and get started. And if you have any questions or need some additional guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for watching.